Good morning, beautiful people. I am back. There's Doggo. Before we start this video, we need something that's very important. Yeah, I know, it's in the morning, guys, so we need to get that coffee. We need to get that coffee. Alright. Do this. Do we do creamer or no creamer? Let's go no creamer today. We're gonna go black coffee because, you know, it's better for you. Helps you get all that goodness down and makes you a better person. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but anyways, we're gonna have an action-packed day. We're gonna get this coffee on, and then we're gonna hop in the car and we got some pretty cool stuff we're gonna do. Alright guys, we're in the car. We're gonna head down to the shop. We're gonna show you the rest of everything else once we get down to the shop, and then we'll start working and you'll now have a better understanding of what we're doing.
It appears that the murders took place sometime early this evening. Sometime early this evening.
Alright, we made it to the shop. We got the shop kitties. Come here, hey. Buddy. Got Sprocket, and then there's Torque. Hey, buddy. You guys are hungry, huh? You guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? Torque, Torque. Torque, Torque, Torque. Torque and Sprocket. The boys are here. The dudes are here. What's up, little dude? Dude 1, dude 2. Actually, he's dude 1, he's dude 2. Ain't that right, Torque, Torque. Guys, we got the car racked. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do all the stuff up top. So we're gonna take off this, of course, airbox. Get it out of the way, maybe. Definitely want to unplug our O2 sensors because we're gonna drop them with the downpipe. It's still pretty hot, so we're gonna let it cool down a little more. That, and then once we get it up, we're gonna take off the skirt on the bottom. You'll know what I'm talking about once we get down there, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, airbox is removed. We got all this open space. We're gonna get the O2 sensors off, and then we're gonna go up in the air with the car and take off this little bottom tray, set it back down. Well, actually, first we'll probably end up taking off the V-band. We're just trying to get the engine to cool down a little bit, so we're trying to do as much stuff up top and then all the bottom stuff, and then come back down and finish up on both this clamp. I think it's like a 13 mil. It's like right down there. It's kind of hard to see. I'll probably get a better view once the car's up in the air, but yeah. Alright, taking off this tray. Wish I had a power tool, but forgot to bring one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take all this stuff off, these little bolts, and then drop this whole tray down. Unbolt the mid pipe. Pretty simple. I also took off this bolt right here for the exhaust because this thing was just too long. It wasn't allowing it to slip out of it. So just this little exhaust hanger bolt. Now the exhaust can hang out of the way. Nice and free, and then start pulling the downpipe out. Kind of right there. You can barely. There it is. You unbolt that, and then it should be good to pull it down and take out the O2 sensors and put them on the new downpipe. Alright, downpipe is out, guys. Look at that. There's a little spoolie boy, tiny little one. But yeah, so now we're gonna take the O2 sensors off, put them on here, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, it's on. Sure does look pretty. Let's get the light on. Oh yeah. So also you're gonna probably need some of those what the hell they're called, spark plug non-followers, just to kind of keep the rear O2 out of the exhaust flow. and that should do the trick for that. I tightened it up as best as I could for now, just trying to make sure there's no more exhaust leaks. Hopefully there's not. Tighten this up a bit. Other than that, we're gonna get the bottom floor piece on. You may need a pipe expander. I was just able to fucking somehow wedge this fucker in there. Excuse my French. Alright guys, car sounds amazing. Blessed that it's not too loud, at least. I was worried about it was just gonna be stupid loud. But for the most part, the eBay header, well, not header, but eBay downpipe, I should say, worked really good. The fitment was a little weird, but I luckily was able to fix it with getting the V-bang clamp around both sides and was able to pull the downpipe together with the turbo. But for 170 bucks out the door, shipping and tax was not bad at all compared to some of the other ones where they're like $400 or $500 I think for a downpipe. Not trying to spend that on a piece of, you know, metal. But yeah, the welds are spectacular on it, and I'll put a link to the guy I bought it from. Pretty cool dude. He also put a mystery gift in the package. Pretty rad. But yeah, the car sounds good. I'll do some exhaust videos after this one, of course. It's just too hot right now. Don't feel like going out and driving. Car's good. Sounds good. No check engine light too. Best thing about it. Definitely want to get the spark plug non-fouler. I bought it from Pet Place. I'll put a link into the description of that as well. Other than that, I'd highly recommend, if you have access to a lift, use it. If not, you can do it on your back. It's just a pain in the ass. Other than that, runs good. It smells a little gassy, I'd say. Usually after coming from a hard acceleration to a stop, it's just kind of, I feel like the fuel ratios are coming down from, you know, being rich. But other than that, you can sit at a red light and not have to smell it, which is good, because my old car smelled like gasoline every time I drove it, so it was bad. But this one doesn't smell too bad. But I mean, other than that, thing runs good, solid. Notice a little more power. It's not like a whole lot more, but the throttle is a little more responsive, and it just sounds a whole lot better. If you're looking to kind of keep it a little more quiet and not have to go out and buy you know, the M Performance exhaust, this would definitely be your best option. The only downside is I know that the M Performance exhaust definitely has a lot more burble or pops, bangs. But whatever, not too big of a deal. It's not too loud. All around, it's a pretty good little setup, not gonna lie. I really like it a lot, and I'll get you guys some more footage of that in a later video. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Ask away for questions. Other than that, peace.